गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ फाइटोक्रोम प्रोटीन्स। नेटिव फाइटोक्रोम is a soluble protein with a molecular mass of 250 kilodaltons. It occurs as a dimer. Each subunit consists of two components, a light absorbing pigment called the chromophore and a polypeptide chain called apoprotein. The apoprotein monomer has a molecular mass of about 125 kilodalton and is encoded in angiosperm by a small family of genes. Together, the apoprotein and its chromatophore make holoproteins. It is the structure of phytochromes. In higher plants, the chromophore of phytochrome is a linear tetrapyrrole called phytochromobilin. The phytochrome apoprotein alone cannot absorb red or far-red light. Light can be absorbed only when the polypeptide is covalently linked with phytochromobilin to form the holoprotein. Phytochromobilin is synthesized in cytoplastids. It is derived from heme via a pathway branches from the chlorophyll biosynthetic pathway. The phytochromobilin is exported to the cytosol where it attaches to the apoprotein through a thioether linkage to a cysteine residue. Assembly of the phytochrome apoprotein with its chromophore is autocatalytic, that it is occurs spontaneously when purified phytochrome polypeptide is mixed with purified chromophore in the test tube with no additional proteins or cofactors. In the functional domains of phytochrome apoprotein's activity as a protein kinase and its localization within the cell. However, the situation is complicated. But if there is not one phytochrome but several, each encoded by a separate gene and each playing a unique role in development. Phytochrome has several important functional domains. The structural domains that have been identified in phytochrome and the diversity of cellular changes it mediates in responses to light. Sequences comparison between phytochromes isolated from plant and cyanobacteria species has enabled the identification of several conserved domains. The N-terminal half of phytochrome contains a PAS and a GAF domain with bilin lyase activity, which necessary for autocatalytic assembly of the chromophore and PHY. After synthesis, the assembly phytochrome is activated by red light and moves into nucleus to modulate gene expression. A small pool of phytochrome remains in the cytosol where it may regulate biochemical changes. Several conserved domains within the phytochrome are shown: PSGF, PHY, PRD, and HKRD. P theta B phytochromobilin. Phytochrome is a light regulated protein kinase. The evidence for a potential role of phosphorylation in phytochrome action first came from red light regulation of protein phosphorylation and phosphorylation dependent binding of transcription factors to the promoters of phytochrome regulated genes. Some highly purified preparations of phytochrome were also reported to have kinase activity. Protein kinases are enzymes that have the capacity to transfer phosphate groups from ATP to amino acids such as serine or tyrosine, either on themselves on other proteins. Kinases are often found in signal transduction pathways in which the addition or removal of phosphate groups regulate enzymes activity. Protein phosphatases are enzymes that remove phosphate group from protein and thus work antagonistically to kinase in regulating protein activities. Thus, protein kinases and phosphatases play opposing roles in signaling pathways. Phytochrome is now known to be a protein kinase that is capable of autophosphorylation. The evolutionary origin of phytochrome is very ancient, predating the appearance of eukaryotes. Bacterial phytochromes are light-dependent histidine kinase that function as sensor protein that phosphorylate corresponding response regulator proteins. However, although higher plants phytochromes have some homology with the histidine kinase domains, they do not function as histidine kinase. Instead, they are serine and threonine kinases and likely phosphorylated other proteins. Thus, although the sites of phosphorylation in other phytochromes have diverged from those of bacterial phytochromes, the basic functional mechanism is likely conserved. Phytochrome far red is partition between the cytosol and nucleus. In the cytosol, phytochrome holoproteins dimerize in the inactive PR state. Upon absorption of light, the PR chromatophore undergoes a cis trans-isomerization of the double bond between carbons C15 and 16 and the rotation of C14 and C15 single bond. During the conversion of PR to PFR, the protein moiety of the phytochrome holoprotein also undergoes a conformational changes in the hinge region that expose a nuclear localization signal in the C-terminal half of phytochrome, resulting in the development of phytochrome molecules from the cytosol to the nucleus. This movement of phytochromes from the cytosol to the nucleus is light quality dependent in that PFR form of phytochrome is selectively imported into the nucleus. Once in the nucleus, phytochromes interact with transcriptional regulators to mediate changes in gene transcription. Thus, one important function of phytochrome is to serve as a light activated switch to bring about global changes in gene transcription. However, as mentioned, several phytochromes responses such as the inhibition of stem elongation occur extremely rapidly within minutes or even seconds of exposure to red or far red light. Thus, phytochromes also play important roles in the cytosol, regulating membrane potential and ion fluxes in response to red or far red light. Indeed, recent studies have shown that in the absence of nuclear import, phytochrome still mediates a number of growth responses in the plant. Phytochromes are encoded by a multi-gene family. The physiology of phytochrome action is very complex and difficult to explain on the basis of a single type of phytochrome. Early biochemical studies provided hints that there were different forms of phytochrome. For example, phytochrome was shown to be most abundant in etiolated seedling. Thus, most early biochemical studies were carried out on phytochrome purified from non-green tissues. Since very little phytochrome is extractable from green tissues, it was soon apparent that there were two different classes of phytochrome with distinct properties termed type 1 and type 2 phytochromes. Type 1 was shown to be about 9 times more abundant than type 2 in dark grown pea seedlings. In light grown pea seedlings, the amount of the two types was about equal, indicating that light causes type 1 phytochrome to degrade the an interconversion of phytochromes into each other. So here is the diagram of phytochrome is an autophosphorylating protein kinase. A bacterial phytochrome is an example of two-component signaling system in which phytochrome functions as a sensor protein that phosphorylates a response regulator. A second is plant phytochrome is an autophosphorylating sense threonine kinase that phosphorylates other protein shapes containing X.